We are also in cardinality of a set. So how do we find the cardinal number of A? If A is a set of x such that x is less than or equal to 7, take note of this less than or equal to, S is a member of natural number. So to solve this question is very simple. We need to understand the basic concepts. First, what is cardinality of a set? The cardinality of a set is the number of elements in a given set. Another thing we need to understand is this less than or equal to sign. It is an inequality sign, which is called the slack inequality sign. It is called the slack inequality sign. Okay? Now, when you have x such that x is less than or equal to 7, it means that for s to be a natural number, we are starting from 1, which is a natural number. Now, 1 is less than 7. We also have 2 is a natural number, is less than 7. 3 is a natural number, is less than 7. So likewise 4, 5, 6. Now, if there is equal sign here, which we have, you include 7. But if there is no equality sign, like if there is no equality sign, you stop at 6. But in this question, we have equality sign. So you include 7. This shows that 7 is a member. When we are talking about slack inequality sign, it shows that the terminal number is a member. So this 7 is a member. So you stop at that point. That is the answer to number 1, question A. So number 2, which is B, K such that K is a prime factor of 24. First, what is prime number? A prime number is any number that can divide itself and 1, and it must have 2 factors. That is a prime number. Then factors, numbers that can multiply to give a number, okay, is definitely a factor, or number can divide a number without any remainder, is a factor of that number. Therefore, when we talk about prime factor, a number that is a prime number at the same time a factor of 24. So that's what we're looking for. So how can we find the prime number that is also a factor of 24? So let's see how we go about that. First of all, what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on and so forth. These are prime numbers. Then, in these prime numbers, any number that can divide 24 becomes a factor of 24. So 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. If it goes without any remainder or decimal place, you know that is a factor. So 2 into 24, we have it as 12. This 2 is a prime factor, a prime number, and is also a factor of 24. So we have that B, all we need a prime factor of 24. 2 is among. So this is a prime number now. Let's take 3. 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3. Okay. Will give us 8. Wow. Will give us 8 because 8 times 3 is 24. That means 3 is also a prime number, which is a factor of 24. That is prime factor of 24. Alright. So 24 cannot divide 5. 5 is not divisible by 24. And we can't divide 24 by 7. Can't divide 24 by 11. And so on and so forth. So we have 2, 3 as the answer to this question. If this is your first time of seeing my video, like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.